Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Chetu, the place where tech gets simple, smart, and seriously fun. Have you ever wondered how you're able to stream Netflix, send memes, or video call your friend halfway across the world, all within seconds? The internet is not just Wi-Fi. It's a massive network of networks, literally millions of computers and servers all around the globe, talking to each other using common rules called protocols. Every time you open a website, your device sends a request to a server. This is done using something called the TCP/IP protocol, kind of like a digital postal system. Ever typed google.com instead of 142.25.182.206? Thank the DNS, it converts human-friendly names to machine-friendly IP addresses. With so much info flying around, security is critical. That's where HTTPS, SSL certificates, and encryption come in. They scramble your data so no one can spy on it. Wi-Fi and mobile data just replace the wire with radio waves. But once it hits your router or cell tower, it travels the same journey we just talked about.